Most people set up Proxmox and use just root. Root for everything. Root to create VMs, root to check logs, root to SSH in at 2 AM. Today I'm going to show you the right way to handle users in Proxmox and why it matters more than you think. Proxmox sits on top of Debian Linux. That means that there are actually two separate worlds of users, the Linux OS underneath and the Proxmox layer on top. PAM stands for Pluggable Authentication Modules. A PAM user in Proxmox is actually a real Linux system user, created with adduser on the Debian host first, then linked into Proxmox with PVEVM. This user has a real shell account. If you grant them sudo rights, they can do everything on the machine, not just in the Proxmox GUI, but in the actual operating system. SSH in, modify files, install packages. When to use PAM? Use PAM for your sysadmin account, the person who needs full access to both Proxmox and the underlying OS. This is your emergency account, your maintenance account. You should have exactly one of these and it should not be root. The Proxmox V authentication server is completely different. A PVE user exists only inside of Proxmox. There is no Linux account, no shell, no SSH access. The password is hashed in SHA-256 and stored in etc PVE priv shadow.cfg. The Debian OS below is completely invisible to this user. This is perfect for operators, people who need to manage VMs and containers, but who should have absolutely no access to the host OS. A junior admin, a team member, a friend running their own VM on your homelab. When to use PVE? Use PVE for everyone who only needs the Proxmox GUI. Operators, read-only auditors, VM owners. Keep them completely isolated from the OS. Here is the golden rule. Never use root.pam for daily operations. Never. Root has unlimited power and leaves no useful audit trail. You can't distinguish between intentional actions and mistakes. Instead, follow the principle of least privilege. Create a PAM admin for system level maintenance and create a PVE operator for day-to-day VM management. Give each account exactly the access it needs and nothing more. Proxmox logs which user did what, when and from where. If something goes wrong, you know exactly who to blame, and that person is usually yourself at 2 AM. Proxmox has built-in roles: administrator, PVEVMAdmin, PV auditor, and more. Assign the minimum role needed. A PVE operator only needs to start and stop VMs, doesn't need administrator. Give them PVE admin, or even a custom role, which just the specific permissions they need. You can also scope permissions. Instead of giving access to the entire data center, you can restrict a user to a specific node, or a specific VM, or a specific storage pool. This is proper multi-tenant isolation. So to summarize, PAM users reach the OS, PVE users don't. Use PAM for admins, PVE for operators. Never use root for daily tasks. Assign least privilege roles. This is the foundation of a secure Proxmox setup. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add the final layer, two-factor authentication, because even the best user setup means nothing if someone can steal your password. See you there.